Prepare dish and notify the hungry guy.
So you can look into the stuff that we have as helpers, so to say. We have two methods, we have one mock, we have one service that is called notifier and is injected. We have some data types. And I can give a hint that our assertion doesn't need to change. So you can use our assertions as a metric for doing the implementation.
Okay, so the goal is to have a dish.
Yes, exactly.
With a certain sized fish. Okay, so just looking at the helper methods, I'm thinking that we should try and catch a fish and then cook a dish with that fish.
Yeah.
So, yeah, exactly. Then we get a mono or a fish back. Or should we? I feel like we should use the flat. What was it called? Was it flat map? Just.
Yeah.
Yeah. The flat map around the catch a fish to get the fish itself to give to cook a dish.
Was it around or was it on the mono? Can you?
Not sure.
Can you do on the cat after the catfish parentheses? Can you do dot flat map?
Yeah.
Flat map?
Yeah, because then we should get a fish, right?
Yeah, maybe. Or was it the return value from flat map that should be a mono, but won't be a mono after the flat map?
Yes. So.
Yes, the catch fish returns from mono.
Yeah. So inside the flat map, we would have a fish. Yeah, exactly. Fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what happens then? Then we want to cook it.
Yeah.
British. Yeah. And there we get yeah, exactly. Nice. And after that we also have a mono again with some food in it.
Yeah, food.
And that's what we wanted, right? The dish mono is the food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the assertion will pass. How do we notify the hungry guy? Yeah, that was, maybe we'll see now if the verification will pass or not.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wanted but not invoked. Hungry guy get food. So I guess we can do on next by reading the README.
Yeah, yeah.
After we have cooked the dish, right? Because that shouldn't change the return, so we still have a good idea. Possible to do on next there.
Yeah. How do we notify the hungry guy?
Hungry guy.
Is the should be a get food method, I guess. And we have a hungry guy mock.
I think we get the food, right, as in this the next.
That's true.
Yeah.
I think we can just do food and then arrow.
And then a hungry guy dot get food, and then food dot name maybe, or
Here you should use the notifier because hungry guy is mocked.
okay,
Notifier. Yeah. So
okay,
there is a hungry guy inside notifier.
I see.
Okay. Notify hungry.
Yeah.
All right.
Then we should be able to have food dot get name or something. Yeah, yeah.
Both of them works. Yeah.
All right, so now it should be notified. To run it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it.